Hey YouTube, happy Sunday. It's Des. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. If you've already been rocking with me, then welcome back. So today is Sunday, yes, and your girl is getting back in the gym after about 4 to 5 months. So I am going to be doing this 12-3-30 challenge. I don't know if it's really a challenge, but it's a little treadmill trend that's been going on over on TikTok. But I came across it on YouTube, and I'm like, I might as well try this, y'all, because I need to lose like 20 pounds. It's the biggest I've ever been in my life. I weigh 148, and usually
in 0.1 mile.
My ideal weight is like 130, y'all. But ideally, I wouldn't mind being 135 because I like a little thick, you know. So, anyways, yeah,
Turn left.
Your girl is about to work out, and first of all, it's been snowing really bad, so I'm going to go get a car wash because my car looks trash, y'all. It's so dirty, dusty, all of that. So we're going to go to the car wash first, and then we're going to get to this gym to get this workout in. So I guess everybody was on the same page today, because look at this, y'all. I don't know if y'all can get into this, but the line is lining. It's super crazy. Alright, so car is clean. Oh shit, I forgot to do the other side. Hold on, y'all. Car is not clean. I'll be back. Okay, so now the car is clean. It's looking good. Let me get my little sprays out. I got my little disinfectant spray, and my smell good. So I'm gonna do my little disinfectant first. Y'all don't know what I be disinfecting because, look at me. Today is not my day, okay? I don't know what I'm disinfecting, but I'm just gonna clean my little steering wheel off. You know, my little germs. I just spray myself, Lord Jesus. I just be moving too fast, y'all. I'm gonna spray my little dashboard. Spray some on the seats, I guess, you know, just for the germs. Yeah. Hold on, let me turn this lights on. Woo, okay. I'm gonna wipe that down just a little bit. And then we're going to get up out of here because your girl, I told you I got to get to the gym, but my dad just called and said, hey, don't you want to come see me play basketball? And I have not seen my dad play basketball since I was a little girl, y'all. Like, I used to go watch my dad play basketball all the time. So I'm kind of excited that he invited me. So it's kind of messing up my little routine that I had going for today, but it's not because it's only going to be like an hour. And, you know, I can show my dad a little support and a little love for a little hour, you know. So we about to go do that. But first I need to stop at this AutoZone really quickly. And then we're going to head. Ew, this is real nasty. Then we're going to head to the gym to support my daddy, period. My daddy been supporting me my whole life, period. No. Okay, so let's get this little. This smells really, really good. I think I got this out of the Dollar Tree. And if I didn't, I got it out of like, what is it, like Family Dollar or something? But it smells amazing. It's this one right here, and it says destroy smoke and other stubborn odors. Y'all, it smells so good. Like, you really only need like 2 little swigs and you good. Swigs, like you about to drink it. Don't mind me, y'all. Let's head to AutoZone, and then we're gonna head to the gym. All right, so we made it to AutoZone. But look at this window, y'all, where my baby sit. Like, why does this window need to be looking like this? Like, what are you doing back there that this window even looks like this? Look at this window, and look at this girl window. Like, we got to do better. Now I got to go back home. Well, when I go home, now I got to come out here with some Windex and wash these insides of this window because this girl want to be doing the most back there. But anyway, let's get in the AutoZone and then let's head to this gym. All right, so I finally left the gym. Finally left my dad's gym and had to run into the Dollar Tree. And now we're finally about to go to the gym, my gym, and work out. Oh, y'all know I said it was an hour off my little schedule, but it's okay because anything for my daddy. But anyways, y'all, let me show y'all one of these little products that I've been obsessed with from the Dollar Tree. So I had to come back, and I actually got 2 of them. So I'm just going to show y'all what I got. I had to get one of these because my baby girl, she has this little hangnail, and all of my stuff hasn't arrived here yet from the move. So I had to get her one, and I felt like I need one in my car, period. So this one came with 2, so that was a good deal. I had to get a battery because my, y'all know that little beeping noise, that beep, 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 irritating from the smoke detector. So I got one yesterday thinking that it was just one. Why is it 2 making all that noise? So I got one of these. I am doing my press on nails, so yeah, I'm going to show you guys that. But this is a big old bottle. This is luxury nail polish remover, non-acetone. Look how big it is for $125. Like, you can't beat that. So I got that one just because it was that size. My tooth has been bothering me like crazy. I'm going to the dentist tomorrow. Y'all, I cannot wait because I got to get a filling done. And it was just this one tooth that was bothering me, but I guess it's gotten so bad to where like my whole side of my face is killing me. So I got me these $125, some little Advil. And I don't even take medicine, y'all, but I'm going to take one today because my tooth is just killing me until at least tomorrow. We needed to get some, my oldest daughter, she needed to get some mouthwash, so I just got her this one. I use a different one, the Dr. Bronner's, I think that is. I don't know. That's the one I use. But I just get her a little cheap one because I don't know what she be doing with this, but it be going real fast, so I don't get her the one that I get because the one that I get is like kind of pricey. So I got her this, making sure she rinses her mouth. I also got my oldest this to keep in her backpack because she just like her mommy. I've always gotten like white around my mouth when I was younger, when it was wintertime, and I used to hate that. And I would get to school and be looking in the mirror like, damn, I wish I had me some lotion. So I got her this to keep in her backpack for her hands and for her face because I told her, like, baby girl, my daughter, you got to represent. You cannot be looking crazy. And I think Jergens, even though this is a really small container, and I think the lotion is literally like all the way down here because I just looked at it through the sun, I still think that it's a good quality, like, brand. I like it. So I got that for her. I didn't want to do like one of them cheap ones and then her face started breaking out or whatever. And then this is what y'all need, okay? This right here. Now, let me tell y'all. I used to wash my face with Cetaphil all the time, but I switched because it just really wasn't giving what it needs to give. But I used to use that lotion for my face, and it was amazing, y'all. This is the knockoff of it. It's the most moisturizing lotion. It's just called Be Pure, I guess. And it says for dry to normal sensitive skin. And it contains avocado oil and essential vitamins E and B5. I don't care what it contains, okay? Let me just tell y'all, this is amazing. I've been loving it. I've been using it for like 3 or 4 months now, back and forth. And when I go in there, I've been going to different Dollar Trees. I can't find it. So I wind up getting not one, but I wind up getting 2 because that's all that was left. So I was like, let me just grab it just to be on the safe side. So yeah, I got these and it is amazing. Like, it keeps your face so moisturized. Like, after I do my nighttime routine, I wash my face and stuff, I always put this on. And sometimes I use it like on my my hands and stuff. But for the most part, for my face, like, I I live by it. Before I go work out, I'm about to take one of these right now, y'all, because my tooth is really bothering me. It's a 30-minute workout, so it is 2:47. So hopefully by 3:30-ish, I'll be out of there, and we can get on with the rest of this Sunday fun day. Well, more like Sunday reset, but whatever. Okay, guys, so I am back in my car, and when I tell y'all if this don't work, honey, y'all, my legs literally feel like noodles. The first 10 minutes was a killer, y'all. I was like, okay, I gotta get through this, y'all, because I can do this. You know, I used to be an athlete, you know. Keyword used to be. I hear people like, I used to do that. What you doing now? But anyway, no, for real though. All jokes aside, like my legs was really feeling like crazy when I first started, like the first 10 minutes. And then I just think I just went delusional because I just kept going and going and going and going. Then I tried to put on a little video on YouTube so that I could see how I was gonna do my daughter's hair tonight, just so that, you know, it could just slip my mind. And baby, when I tell you my legs hurt, they hurt. I was busting a sweat, and I needed, let me tell y'all, one thing about me, I don't sweat a lot. I was busting a sweat. I had to take my sweater off. Y'all saw me that. I was gonna try to work out with it on, because a lot of people say you lose weight quicker when you're like more heated. So I was like, let me just keep this on. I had to take my sweater off after that 10 minutes because I'm like, and y'all, it was a good workout. I'm excited. So I'm about to get ready to go home. I got so much to do. I need to feed the girls. I need to do my oldest daughter's hair. I really need to do my hair if I get time, but I do need to journal. I got some school work to do. What else I need to do? I want to do my nails and my feet. I did like a small self-care night last night, but tonight it entailed me doing my nails and my feet, but I didn't have my nail polish remover, but I got that now. Y'all see that. And on top of that, I wanted to do my daughter's hair first before I put those nails on, because I'm going to be using all that foamy stuff. But yeah, I got a lot to do, but I'm about to get ready to go home and do all of that. And yeah, I'm going to actually see you guys in the next video. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.